So let's study the question. A vessel with the displacement 25,500 ton. So the displacement is given 25,500 ton. Km, kg is also given. Has a pair of rectangular double bottom wing tank, port and starboard. Well, this type of question is going to test your competency. So it is having double bottom tank, rectangular double bottom tank on either side of the center line. Okay, fair enough. So there are two tanks. 15 meter long, 10 meter wide, and 5 meter deep. So 10 meter wide, 15 meter long, and 5 meter deep. Similarly, like this is 15 meter.
Yes, sir.
5 meter. Okay. Calculate the list produced if one of the double bottom wing tank F and C, there are two, port and starboard, right?
Yes, sir.
Any of the double bottom tank is filled 50% with salt water. So imagine that, suppose this is filled with salt water, 50%. So we need to calculate the list. All right.
Okay.
So there are certain assumptions. So it means that the ship is initially upright. Assumption 1. It is not given, so we need to assume the ship is
upright.
Ship is initially upright. And I'm doing this question in detail so that you understand each and every point. So we have assumed that the ship is initially upright, and once we do the ballasting, we need to see whether what will be the list. Obviously, if we ballast in the port side, what will happen? There will be list on the port side.
Port side.
So let's start with the format. First of all, initial list movement. That is 0?
Sir. Yes, sir.
Make sense?
Yes, sir, because ship is upright.
Now, I will imagine and let's have another assumption. That is an assumption 1. I think assumption 2 also we can write here. Okay, 1 second. Give me a minute. This is assumption 1, and assumption 2 we can write here. He has not specified which tank. So I'm saying, let's assume that port tank is ballasted. You can solve it with the starboard tank also, doesn't make difference, right?
Okay.
So we need to specify that we are ballasting the port tank, because the question says if one of the bottom tank. So we assume that this is port tank.
Okay.
You can solve it with the starboard tank also. All right.
Okay.
Let me see whether. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So if you ballast the port tank, and you are going to ballast with salt water, by the way.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And it is 50%. What is the volume of port tank?
The port tank, 15 into 5 into 5.
15, 10 into 5, right?
Yes.
And what is the, but it is filled only 50%. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Volume of salt water is 50% of whatever. You have this?
Yes, sir. So 15.
This is how much?
5. Sir, 750. 750 divided by.
Make sense?
370. Yes, sir. 370.
Make sense? Unfortunately,
yes,
my calci 750 divided by half.
Yes, sir. 375.
375 cubic meter. This is the volume.
Yes, sir.
Just as a, this is red color, this is also red color. Acha, what will be the weight? Again, it is going to test your density is equal to mass volume.
Yes,
So
sir. The mass
mass is
density
equal
into.
to density.
Yes, sir.
You have. So the mass
384.375.
375 multiplied by
1.025.
why?
So because seawater.
Or salt water. Seawater.
Yeah.
Seawater or salt water.
So 384.375.
Make sense?
Yes,
Now,
sir.
this is center line, by the way. This is your center line. Let me just mark with green color. This is your center line, right?
Yes, sir.
Its distance from the center of gravity of this weight will be somewhere here. Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So what is this distance?
So GG1.
Come on. This total weight is here.
Yes.
What is the horizontal distance of the center of gravity of the fluid? By the way, this is ballast. This is homogeneous, uniform weight distribution.
10 मीटर
अरे टोटल 10 है भाई, तो ये आधी कितनी हो जाएगी?
अच्छा 5 मीटर. Yes.
Right? इतना
Yes, sir.
मत होएगा.
Uniform. Yes, sir. Uniform distribution तो आधा हो जाएगा. 5.
लिख लो. Write it down. Ballast is distributed. No. Ballast is distributed
Uniformly.
uniform. Okay.
Yes, sir.
COG of ballast is 5 meter from
the center line.
Make sense?
Yes, sir.
If you, so what is the list moment? I told you the definition of list moment, W into D. This is D.
Yes, sir.
So list moment created, LMC,
Yes, sir.
W into D. कितना list moment create हुआ?
384.75 multiplied by 5.
Correct. Into 5.
1921.875.
Into 5. 1921.875 turn meter, or what is the direction? Port.
Yeah. Okay.
I hope you are not confused.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Right? And initial list moment to 0 hai ye. We have the 0, right?
Yes, sir.
And list moment causes 1921.78. So what is the final list moment? The same.
Yes, sir.
1921.875 turn meter port.
Okay.
Now, for example, if I need to modify this question, if I'm saying the vessel is initially listed by 2 degree to port and all, you can still do it. All you have to do, just calculate this fellow.
Yes, sir.
But here, he has made your life easy. He has not stated anything. So we have assumed that the ship is initially upright.
Okay.
Clear?
Clear.
So we have final list moment. What else we need to know?
Sir, GM final.
The formula for list is what?
The tan theta is equal to final list moment upon final weight into GM final.
Okay. So this you have already calculated.
Yes, sir.
We need to calculate these two parameters. So for that, I will tell you a simple shortcut.
Okay.
Let's start with the table, and whatever is required in the table, remark, weight, kg, vertical moment. That is good enough.
Yes, sir.
List
List.
लिस्ट मॉड की जरूरत नहीं, वो तो ऑलरेडी कैलकुलेट कर लिया हमने. Good have solved this in this also. Remark, weight, kg,
list.
and vertical moment. If you wanted, we could have added this also, but leave it at the moment. I am interested in these two parameters only, no?
Okay. Okay.
So remark is ship. How much is the ship?
Sure.
So 5
Nahin, sir. 25500 tons.
2550. Okay.
00, no, sir?
25500.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
by the way, let's write the unit. Don't
Ton.
forget the unit, ton meter.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
2550. Let me just cross check again. 25,500. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And what is the kg?
10 meter.
10 meter. So vertical moment
255
25000.
000.
नो प्रॉब्लम.
No problem.
दूसरा चीज क्या है? बैलास्ट.
Yes, sir.
बैलास्ट करने से क्या हुआ?
Sir, wait.
बैलास्ट इज हाउ मच?
So 384.375.
384. I think I forgot this 3 here. 384.375. Let's see.
Yes, sir.
384.375 multiplied by 5 plus cross check. 1921.875. Okay, fine. So 384.375. 384.375.
375.
Okay. And what is the vertical distance? Let's figure it out.
Okay.
What is the vertical distance? That
So
means
5 meters.
Sir, it will be around 2.5.
7.5, sir.
bolo.
Sir, 1.25. 1.25 होगा.
Why? What is
Because,
the
sir,
depth? What is total depth?
yes, sir, 5 meter.
5 meter. Correct.
Yes.
So this distance is 2.5, right?
Sir, 2.5 is, yeah, this one is 2.5. And
So this one is how much?
the
So
2.5 divided by 2, 1.25.
This is
1.25.
1.25. This is ballast, so we got to add. This is also ballast, we got to add. This test
480.469.
480.
0.469.
Let's keep it this way.
0.5. Okay.
480.5. Round it off. Okay. Now you can find the kg and then apply FSC. I am saying directly, let's find the free surface moment also. What is the
Okay.
definition of free surface moment? Let's choose different color here. Let's choose this color. What is free surface moment?
Yes, sir.
I into
DI.
Di upon
W.
W. All right. So what is I here? Second moment of inertia.
Yes, sir.
I is LV cube by 12.
Okay.
Okay. And the
Okay.
unit is meter raised to the power
4.
4. So what is the length?
Sir, 10.
Length is 15, no?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
और
Length is
breadth
15.
is 10
10.
Yes, sir.
divided by 2. ये तो हो गया I. How much you are getting second moment of inertia?
7,500.
15 into 1000 divided by 12.
12. Okay. Okay.
1250.
Okay. Yes, 1250.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So what is the free surface moment?
1250 multiplied by 1.02.
1.025 divided by displacement.
Final displacement, sir?
Yes, final displacement.
Yeah.
Final displacement तो यही हो जाएगा.
So add करना पड़ेगा ना.
हाँ. फ्री सरफेस मोमेंट इधर ले आओ. फाइनल डिस्प्लेसमेंट अभी कर लेते हैं. कितना हो? ऐड करो.
Yes, sir.
25500 plus 384.375.
25884.375.
25884.375. 25884.375. How much you get?
0.05.
No. Let's see. 1250 multiplied by
सर ये 0.0494 आ रहा है
0.05, sir.
राउंड ऑफ करके.
how much you are getting?
So
0.05.
0.05.
0.05.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Oh, wrong. We are wrong. Actually, we have calculated free surface correction directly. Okay. This is the formula for free surface correction. Free surface
yes.
moment is this one only.
Yes, free surface moment is I into di only.
I into di. You are making mistake here. What is I into di? That's what I was. How much is that? We could have done that with that also, but okay.
So वो 1281.25.
1281.25. Anyway, we'll do with the free surface correction also.
Okay.
But at the moment, let's figure it out with the free surface moment. We'll cross check. Okay. No, never mind. Let's follow the free surface moment regime first, and
Okay.
that unit will be 10 meter. And by the way, free surface moment has to be added, always added.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Remember, free surface moment is added, free surface correction is subtracted. All right.
Okay.
So, what is the final vertical moment?
The final
25500 plus 480.5 plus 1281.25.
256,761.75.
No, you are making mistake, or I am making mistake. कुछ तो गड़बड़ है. Let's cross check. 25500, right? No, 000 plus
Yes, sir.
480.5
256,761.
Yes, sir. 75.
25
6761.75.
1.75. All right. So what is the kg final?
Sir.
By this divided.
Yes, sir. Divided by 12588.
84.375.
9.92.
9.919.
Okay.
56, whatever. So 9.92.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
This is kgf, and
Yes, sir.
km is how much? 10.5.
10.5. Yes, sir.
Assuming km is constant.
Okay, sir. Assuming km is constant.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
km, how much is given? Let me just cross check. 10.5. 10.5. Okay. 10.500. Assuming
km is constant.
Because we don't have hydrostatic particulars, so we don't. So we will have GM final.
Yes, sir. 0.58.
0.5. So you have all the three parameters now. You
Yes,
have this.
Yes, sir.
You have this.
FLM also.
You have already calculated FLM.
Yes,
so you can easily compute, and the value
yes,
you will get in the value, whatever you will get in what?
Sir, the tan theta will get value of tan theta, the ratio. The theta
That
is equal to tan inverse.
Okay. Now, suppose you don't want to do this way. So
Okay.
there is no need of FSM. This
Okay.
you can calculate without FSM. How much is that?
So FSC.
25500 plus 480.5. The one which we were discussing.
Okay.
255,480.5. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So kg solid कितना आ जाएगा? Kg solid. That is the final one.
Sir, ये आ जाएगा
Divided by
258
484.35.
9.87.
9.870. Right?
Yes, sir.
This is kg. What is km?
Sir, 10.5.
10.5. What is gm solid?
0.63.
0.630. Right?
Yes, sir.
अच्छा, अब यहाँ से FSC निकाल लीजिए. Something, this is FSM. Now let's
Yes, sir.
find the FSC divided by displacement. Okay.
Okay.
How much we were getting? Let's find divide the displacement. 25884.375. 25884.375. How much you were getting?
Sir, 2588.375. 0.49. 0.495.
Oh, something wrong. 25884.375. 0.049. You are not telling me.
Okay. Yes, sir. Yes.
0.049.
Yes,
F- Subtract. How much you get? GM flood.
0.6. So 0.58.
0.58. नहीं, थोड़ा कम आ रहा है. 581.
Yes, sir. 58.
Okay, round off 0.58. It's the same thing. You
Yes,
could
sir.
have done this way or you could have done this way. Now, what is the final trim? Tan theta is equal to final list moment
Yes, sir. 1921.875.
1921.875. 1921.875 divided by WF
4.3.
2588.4.375 into 0.580.
58.
Okay.
So 0.128. And theta is equal to this. So tan inverse.
I need to use this calculator because the other calculator is giving problem. 1921.875
0.875.
divided by, you can start bracket, 2584.375. It just requires a little
Yes,
patience.
sir.
0.58 bracket close. Whatever you get, shift
0.1.
and inverse.
Inverse answer.
7.29.
Yes, sir.
And you can convert 7 degree, 17 minute and 42 seconds.
42. Yes, sir.
Okay. 7 degree, 17.2 6 minute and towards port side.
Yes, sir. Towards.
You have to port because we assume the port side.
Sir, what if we assume it's starboard side? Then also the answer will be different, but the solution will be correct.
Answer won't be different. Answer will be same. The only thing is instead of port, you write starboard.
Okay, okay.
Why answer will be different?
Oh, no, sir, that's okay. No, I got it.
All right. So let's talk about this question. I think that will cover everything. A ship of displacement 10,000 K has number 3 and number 4 dB tank full of oil of RD 0.95. Okay. The tanks are wide and depth. All right. HFO is consumed from number 3 port tank till a sounding of 1.2 meter is obtained. If km is this, kg is this. All right.
Calculate the
Calculate
list.
the list.
Okay.
So let's try to solve this question. Displacement is given
Yes, sir.
10,000 ton. It has number 3 and 4 dB tank, which are full of number 4 dB. Okay. The tanks are, so let's talk about one tank. Tank is 15 meter long, and we are looking in transverse direction. So that means this is 15 meter long, 12
Okay.
meter wide, and 2 meter deep. Be very careful. This is the
Okay.
transverse direction. Okay.
Mhm.
So maybe this is number 3, and there was a number 4 tank. Number 4 dB tank doesn't make any sense. Why is given? Okay. HFO is consumed from number 3 port tank
Okay.
till a sounding of 1.2
2 meter.
meter is obtained.
Okay.
All right. 1.2 meter sounding is obtained. So this is 2 meter. So sounding is now 1.2.
1.2. Yes, sir.
So we'll try to use the same template. Ship is not initially listed, right? Ship is upright.
Yes, sir.
Ship is initially upright. Yes or no? If it is not
Yes,
given,
sir. Yes, sir.
we'll
We will
assume the
assume.
ship is initially upright.
Okay.
Initial list moment 0.
0.
Now, if we consume something, so we have what we have done. We consume from here.
Yes, sir.
Top portion में जाएगा ना?
Yes, sir.
And what will be the volume? What will be the mass? Directly we can calculate mass.
Okay.
Mass will be
12 into 15
volume निकालो पहले. Volume कितना हो जाएगा? 0.8
into 0.8. The volume will be 144.
12, right?
Yes, sir.
This is volume into density 0.95.
Yes, sir.
Make sense?
Yes, sir. 136.8.
0.8 into 15 into 12 divided by 0.95.
Multiply by.
Sorry, multiplied by 0.95. That is the fuel. 136.8.
Yes, sir.
So this much is discharge.
Yes, sir.
What is the list moment cause? List moment cause is 136.8. That is the weight. And
Yes, sir.
what is its distance?
W into D.
What is its distance? So the length is this 15 meter,
Okay.
right? Wide is 12 meter. So what is the distance? Tell me.
Sir,
Center line. This is
distance will
center
be,
line.
sir. Yes, sir. Sir, 6
6.
meters.
Should not get so confused.
Yes, sir.
So how much? 8 to 0.8
0.8
ton meter towards what?
towards port.
Come on, you must be joking. You are discharging from port.
Okay, towards starboard.
Towards. What is the final list moment? Initial list to 0 ही है. 8 to
Sir,
0.8
0.8.
towards starboard. Why I recommend this way? Even if the ship is initially listed, you will not forget. You can take care of that. So what is the next step? Next step to find the, I think let's find out the initial I.
I.
Is LB cube by
LBQ by
12,
12.
right? And
Yes,
free
sir.
surface moment is I into DI. I into DI. After writing the formula, L is what? 15. This is 12 cube divided by 12 into 0.95.
0.95. Yes.
So you have free surface moment directly.
2052.
Divide, sorry, why I'm dividing unnecessary? 0.95. How much you're getting?
2052.
Free surface moment 2052. Always mention unit, ton meter.
Yes, sir.
So you have free surface moment. What is there? Nothing up. This is cakewalk. Remark, weight,
8
kg,
kg.
vertical moment. That's why I said this question seems to be similar. Let's solve it. So first is ship.
Yes, sir.
Weight is 10,000.
10,000.
What is kg?
Sir, kg is 7.075.
7.075. Okay. So what is the vertical moment?
70750.
70750. Okay. Deballast? No. Bunker. Discharge, no?
Yes, sir.
How much? 136.8. 136.8
6.8.
minus. And how much is the discharge? What is, suppose this is keel.
Okay.
So what is this distance?
The distance is 0.8. Sir, 1.6.
Correct. 1.6. Make sense?
Yes, sir.
1.2 plus this is 0.4.
0.4. Yes, sir.
So 0.4. So total हो गया 1.2 plus 0.4, that is 1.6. Make sense?
Yes, sir.
1.6 multiplied by 136.8
8.88.
218.88. Okay. Now free surface moment directly we will apply here. Less,
Okay.
because we'll
2052.
2052. This will be minus, this will be plus.
This will be plus.
So final निकालो, vertical moment final निकालो.
Okay.
क्या आ जाएगा? kg final आ जाएगा, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. आ जाएगा.
The moment you have kg final,
km constant.
km is given.
Yes, sir.
km is how much? 7.8.
7.8.
7.8 given.
Yes, sir.
Constant. So we can find GM
final.
The moment you have GM final, this should not be a problem. Okay,
Yes,
I'll
sir.
give you 5 minutes, try to solve. Find out the final answer.
Okay, sir. सर एक बार वो स्क्रीन पे मेरे को देखना है. वेट आया सर.
Okay. Final weight is how much?
10136.8.
10136.8. ठीक है.
Vertical moment 72583.12.
72583.12.
83.12.
Okay, makes sense.
Yes, sir. kg.
kg final?
kg is 7.16. Yes, sir. kg final 7.16.
16.
Yes,
So
sir.
GM final?
0.64.
0.64. Directly you will get GM final here.
Yes, sir.
So what is the theta?
So theta is 7 degree 12.6 minutes towards starboard.
Why towards starboard? Because your
Yes, we are discharging from port.
towards starboard.